Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Dazn app easy and quick. So let's do it. After downloading Dazn from Play Store or App Store and after creating an account on Dazn, it will open on the home page as you can see here, where you can find the live or match. As you can see, football, for example, this tennis is live right now if you want to watch, and is upcoming today. Boca Junior, Auckland City. From here you can watch the match, and also you can find like the news or the highlight, as you can see here. So this is the home page, and right now if you click on the score, here you can find, click escape. Here you can find the score of the match, or the players. As you can see here, Miami Palmeiras 2-2, and the date of the matches, as you can see right now here, Australian football. And if you click here guys on shadows, here gonna find this list, like it's about Dazn. You can find here all sports and like some live, like as you see for today the NFL and some World Cup match. If you click here on sport guys, you're gonna find like many categories of sport. If you want to watch FIFA World Cup or boxing, here if you want to watch golf, football, American football, all kind of sports. So right now guys, if we click here, we can share Dazn with our device or TV, so we don't need that. If we click here guys, on the corner of the top of the screen, we can find our profile here guys. If you click here, you can change and manage your profile. Here you can find your settings, your home country, your language, if you want to log out, and the settings from here. If you want to add some settings like turn in and turn off your data saver and autoplay, and account settings like deleting your account. As you can see, Dazn is very useful guys. If you have any question, just type it down in comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.